Tell us something about the life at IIM.
Okay. So IIM education is completely different from what I experienced so far, right, through my education, graduation, be it schooling or anything. It's different in many ways. Maybe few engineering colleges have this sort of education. Maybe like IITs. I don't know much about it, but uh, to be honest, it's a completely different experience that I'm experiencing right now. Uh, to start from the academics point of view, it's you have the best professors that are available in the country that are teaching you. Few of my professors come from IIM Bangalore as well, and the way you study is also entirely different. It's like a case-based approach that is being followed in MBA colleges. Uh, so you study a case, and the discussion that goes in the classroom is what the learning is. Few learnings happen through discussions, and any other points that the professor wants to add, keep adding this. This is common for most of the subjects, but finance, it's like conceptual study rather than case-based study. So that has a slight variation from the uh, method that is followed. But other subjects, it's mostly case-based, and and all the campuses are student run. I mean, all the decisions that happen in the college, like even the slightest, like the mess menu and the placements are being carried by the students. The students are the one who talk to different companies, bring in them on board for campus placements. So and many fests that takes place. All these are student run. The college has nothing to do with it apart from few monetary supports that they give. The decisions are mostly student based. So what happens is all through these activities, you learn a lot in managing skills. So that is how you become a good manager. That is what IIMs believe in. And there are many fun activities that take place. Every festival we have different activities planned. Uh, there are many outings that we do. So life is so eventful. Apart from just knowledge, it's also experiences that happen at IIM, which makes IIM above different colleges. So yeah, I would say it's like once in a lifetime experience. Work hard for achieving it, and you won't regret a journey in IIM for sure. So this I could tell from the experience that I am having currently. So don't miss out. Keep trying. It's not tough to get there. It's just that you need a bit of hard work. That's it.
Okay. What are the jobs one might get based on MBA, particularly in IIMs or IITs? I mean, top B schools.
Okay. Okay. So uh, you you get the chance to uh, try a placement at many big corporates, which which is tough to get through normal engineering colleges. Uh, for example, though IIM Udaipur is still in the build-up phase, uh, in academics wise, it's very good right now. But the placement wise, it's working very hard to pitch into bigger companies. But we have many good companies that come on campus, like Goldman Sachs, like Pidilite. Uh, we have Amul coming. So many good companies come. Even they offer very good amount. Like few companies even offer 20 to 25 lakhs per annum. We have Cisco that offered almost 35 lakhs this time. And most of the companies on an average offer 15 to 17 lakhs per annum. The roles are, very wide range of offers that are offered. Starting from marketing, you get sales, uh, Bajaj, Hero, Motocar. These companies come. They offer around 20 lakhs. There will be few analytic roles as well. Uh, a few companies like Dell take in analytics. Dell has come. It's offered around 24 lakhs. Um, and then there are product management roles. And then there are finance roles. Different banks come like ICICI Bank, like HDFC Bank. They offer around 18 to 19 lakhs. So banks, and then investment banking role, as I said, Goldman Sachs take investment banking role. Uh, and then there are even IT companies that come in, like Accenture, like Cognizant. They offer business analyst roles, around 15 lakhs package. So you can try out on different roles, whichever is of your own interest. So this sort of widened offering is offered to you at MBAs through MBAs in IAM. And obviously, it also depends on what the company wants from different candidates. Not that you can get shortlist for all the companies, but yes, if you have a good resume, if you can build a good resume in your MBA career, the resume matters as well. So if you are well suited for that job, you will definitely get a shortlist. So yeah, since we still are on the build-up phase, our average package lies around 14 lakhs. Though we have good number of companies which offer 19, 20 lakhs as well. So yeah, product management, finance, marketing, analytics, these are the different fields that are being currently recruited in IIM Udaipur. Hmm.
And IIM would be total 2 years, right? In India. So how would be the first year, and what majors or fields should we choose in second year? How will be the curriculum in IIMs?
Okay. So yeah, the first year is generic for everyone. I mean, it's common for all the students. Uh, you will get to learn different subjects: marketing, finance, strategy, HR, uh, stats. So all type of subjects you would be studying in the first year. So it depends on whatever you interest you build up in the first year. And then second year you will be given chance to choose different electives. So depending on your interest, you can choose those electives. If someone wants finance subjects, they can choose subjects like corporate valuation, financial derivatives, banking, and finance markets. So these are the different offerings in the second year. So whatever you take in the second year is what generally defines your majors. But there's no system of majors as such that comes on your certificate. It's just that what you study. For the placement purpose, they do consider what's your major. Like if you take mostly finance subjects, if the credits of those subjects is high, then you would be termed as finance major. And accordingly, if you take marketing subjects or HR subjects, so currently we have finance subjects in the second year, marketing subjects, HR subjects, and strategy subjects. These four are available. So strategy is kind of useful in consulting roles. Uh, so these four are the broad varieties in the second year, but first year it's common for everyone. But one thing is the electives that you want, you might not get all those electives if the majority of the people are wanting that elective. So what matters is what's your CGPA in the first year as well. So that matters when you want a certain elective. If you are uh, like way above many candidates, then that elective is very easy for you to come. Otherwise, it's pretty tough when if your CGPA keeps dropping down. So that is how electives are allocated in your second year, and there will be many chances even available in your second year. Like there's a student exchange that is offered. You can go study in Europe as well for one of the trimester. You can go study in any of the associated colleges with your particular college in Europe. And yeah, for building your resume in IIM, it's better you uh, keep giving most competitions. There are a lot of competitions that happen across different MBA colleges, so you can apply for many of them. Keep trying. There's a high degree of chance that you can even win few national competitions if you can present well your case. If you can present your case well, this helps in building your resume as well.